Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Denon AH-GC20 and I'm going to show you how can you easily pair them with your Android phone. At first we have to scroll down to our control panel, then we have to hold our finger on Bluetooth. Now we have to go into details. Now we have to turn on our headphones. To do this you just have to pull down this button over here. Now they automatically went into pairing mode, so we have to click scan again. Now as you can see they are here, we have to click on it and click pair. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye.